This is for my consultants, coaches, service providers, anybody who is doing sales on the phone. I want to go over one big objection right now and how to really, get past it and answer it over the phone. So one thing I do get a lot is like, hey, send me over the invoice. I'm going to take care of it later. Okay. Or I'm going to take care of it after I talk to my wife, or whatever the case may be, whatever that situation is. And this is what you have to say to them. Just say, hey, you taking care of that invoice over the phone right now is not going to change the trajectory of your decision if you wait 3 to 5 hours. You can start letting doubts get into your head. You can think too much. You can start to overthink about the decision that you're excited to make right now in the next couple hours, and you're going to regret not taking the opportunity right now to lock your spot in. And know that, when you decide to talk to your wife, your business partner, you're excited to give them good news. A lot of the biggest reason why people say that is because they're just scared to swipe their card. They're just scared to buy. But once they're done, they're relieved, and you have to make it easy for them to go through that buying decision. So if someone says to me like, just send it over, I'll take care of it later. I'm like, listen, man, if you're not going to go all in, then why should I? If you're not willing to pay this invoice right now and change the trajectory of your business right now, then why does it matter if you wait 4 to 5 hours? What are you waiting those 4 to 5 hours for? And their response is usually very stuttered. It's like, well, I have to, look at my account. I'm like, listen, man, if you got on the call today, you knew that you could make a buying decision. You knew that I was going to present to you some way for us to work together. So for you to tell me that you're not prepared for a simple phone call like this, how are you going to be prepared when we're starting to scale? How are you going to be prepared when business problems come into play when we are scaling? How are you going to be able to handle that? If you can't handle a simple invoice on the phone, how are you going to run a 7-8 figure business? And when you bring that light to them, they feel bad. They're like, damn, I'm being a little baby. So if you ever get that objection again, just stress to them. It doesn't matter if you take care of it right now versus 4 to 5 hours later. And it doesn't matter if their wife finds out or wants to pitch in because she was not on the fucking phone call. Okay? The wife does not matter. She wasn't on the phone. She's not going to be excited. She's not going to be as educated as you were during that conversation. So stress those pain points and you're going to lock them in. Talk soon.